şey yok bu arada. Bak bak bak bak bak. Bak bak bak. Bak bak bak bak bak. Alkışlan. Orospu çocuğu Rivaldo. Ananı sikeyim senin. Amına koyduğumun çocuğu. Burada bize yapıyor bunu.
Valla.
Bize tabii 2002 Dünya Kupası. Hakan Ünsal'ı attıracak şimdi. Bak. Orospu'nun çocuğu yüzüne gelmiş. Yapmasa böyle olmayacak. Orospu evladı Rivaldo. Bak bak yüzünü ananı sikeyim. Hakan Ünsal atılıyor burada bak. Hiçbir şey yok. Olur. Hiçbir şey yok. Doğru. Siktir git lan, şike var burada. Ne yapıyor oğlum bu? Ayaksı doğramışlar. Son 2 saniyede. Like atmayı unutmuyoruz arkadaşlar. Bu çocukların da ekmek parasını. Like abone atın da can sıkmayın yani. Bir abone like gelsin.
Kunda gets it against Economides. It's a good turn. Here in Kunda. Well, he was being held, grappled. He's got him. Oh, he's off. Here in Kunda. A second yellow card. Connor Chapman comes to tell him where the changing room is as well.
Hernando Torres.
Torres against Ferdinand. Torres. Yeah, Tony Evans with the foul. Well, they want red here.
Oha.
Sent him off. Oh, goodness me, I can't believe it. Torres with a second yellow card. He's sent off.
Abi.
Chelsea are down to 9 men. Absolute chaos here.
Penalty shootout by Orlando.
Castellanos, the 22-year-old striker out of Mendoza, saved by Gallas, and this one's over. Wait a minute, Alex Berry.
İki ayağı da çizgileri.
Maybe in every single penalty kick taken.
Onun tomu.
Unbelievable.
To strike now.
Tutacak ha. Tuttu ananı sikeyim.
Can you believe that? Unbelievable stuff here. Cleared went down from Sahar's challenge.
Skills.
Red card.
Vurmamış lan.
Red card.
Xabi Alonso ya.
Manchester United's first of the season comes at Anfield, and it's Paul Scholes who's been dismissed.
Zidane sarılmışlar.
Anybody, Robertson or McLean, but Pepe's under pressure from Robertson. And Robertson takes a bag in the face from Pepe, who's already been booked, so off he goes. He's not happy with the decision.
Hiçbir şey yok ya.
His arm was up. And it's a bit, when you're on a yellow card, you can't afford to mix out his experience as he is.
YouTube'dan da izleyip abone olmayan herkesin götünü... Annenin amını sikeyim.
Oha. Oha, kavgaya mı giriyor lan bunu?
Afford to mix out his experience as he is.
Onu.
Collision between Jimenez and Longstaff. It's going to be his yellow card. There comes a red. And Fulham are down to 10 men with less than a quarter of the contest gone at St James's Park.
0-0'la devam ediyoruz. Rodri faul geldi. Raul Jimenez'den. Hatta kart da geldi.
Eşek oğlu eşek ya.
Raul Jimenez'e. Açılmıyor da Raul Jimenez ne yapıyor? Evet. Raul Jimenez ne yapıyor? İnanılmaz bir acemilik. İnanılmaz bir acemilik.
Bunun IQ problemi var belli.
Jimenez.
Come here to watch them get the job done tonight. He's going to his pocket here for presumably something that's been said. Well, Carlos Corberan has been sent off here.
İlk düdük Konya'da mücadele başlıyor. Ali Turan. Bu arada kırmızı kart.
Serkan.
1. dakika Serkan kırıntılı. Savunmanın arkasına gönderilen top. Bir anda herkes yardımcı hakeme baktı, acaba offside mı diye. Serkan top eliyle müdahalede bulundu. Maç kırmızı kartla başladı.
Kevin Doyle.
Checking out his defensive colleague. They played so well at the back, Reading. Yeah, all over the pitch really in terms of.
İşte orada ha.
Kitson is off. No sooner on than off. And Reading's.
Kevin geldi, omzunu gösteriyor. Fofana bir kere izledi, döndü.
Yine bizim lig.
Kırmızı kartını çıkardı. Fofana kırmızı kart görüyor. Kocaelispor 10 kişi.
Suarez ve iki.
And now Dirk Kuyt, and to win the derby. Oh, it's got to be handball on the line. It's going to be another card. Philip Neville
Ay kayta bak be.
denying Lucas, and Liverpool are going to have a
Tam bu yapılır
penalty
ya.
in stoppage time to win the derby. Philip Neville.
Al eve götür, al eve götür amına koyayım. Oğlum sikeyim bir de vurdu.
Xhaka kassiert eine gelb-rote Karte. Der total frustrierte
Oo!
FCB-Captain reagiert sich an Marquezano ab. Und dann wird es skurril. Taulan Xhaka wird aus der Kabine zurückgeholt. Warum? Der Schiedsrichter korrigiert seinen Entscheid. Von gelb-rot auf direkt rot. Wahnsinn.
West Bromwich Albion, a beaten team. Displeasure there from Yusuf Malumbu, and it's a red card. Malumbu kicking the ball there at Gary O'Neill.
Şu da Anelka galiba ha.
Yusuf Malumbu, and it's a red card.
Değil mi? Değil.
Malumbu kicking the ball there at Gary O'Neill.
Hiçbir şey yok.
So confident from Griffin. Got to say to Bella. Oh, well, that's just needless from Van Persie.
Van Persie.
What's the card going to be? Well, could really be only one outcome. And Robin Van Persie's dismissal caps a miserable afternoon for Arsenal. Di Maria. Fumbled over.
Ha? Faul bu arada.
Di Maria. What happened afterwards makes the walk.
Jeffers is onside, offside rather.
Topu.
Have an angry clash, and they're both going to be in trouble here.
Well, they've got to go, haven't they?
Ulan size bir şey söyleyeyim mi? Francis Jeffers. Sadece Y kuşağı bilir. 18 yaşında bir çocuk. Henry'nin arkasında yedek bekliyor. Atıyor da ne zaman girse. Bir sakatlandı sonra var ya. Yaşantısı sikildi.
The two of them have got to go off, Jeffers and Westerveld. It's a pity. It's a red.
Westerveld. Real Sociedad'ın o efsane kadrosunun Nihat Kovačević'li o takımın da kalecisiydi. Bunlar hep gurme hocam, araya atıyoruz sizlere özel.
Card for Jeffers, and it's got to be the same colour surely for Westerveld.
Blows took place, he had to go.
Well, Liverpool have got a real problem now because
It is. Merchastovski helps it in. Breaks to Ayman Hussein!
Ne yapıyor?
Well, he's on a yellow card, is Ayman Hussein. Is he getting yellow carded for his celebration? A second
Diğer takımı niye atmadı?
yellow card. Ayman Hussein has scored and been red carded.
Wow.
For the celebration.
This is the first game, 5-1 win against Notts County, new promoted. The goalkeeper, Aidan Stone, gets sent off here. Have a look at what Harry Smith does. Here he comes. Week later. And this
Chase off for Edson Buddle and Jimmy Traore. Sperling, as he caught it outside of his area, he had. And then as he struck out, well, Michael Sperling had time to go back in his area. He's been sent off.
Robertson sees this. I mean, it's the case. And Celtic having missed a penalty. Now,
And it looks like the referee
Müller değil mi lan bu? Neydi? Yok, Völler.
from
Rijkaard.
Argentina's going to wave the first yellow card.
oh, it looked as if Rijkaard spat on Rudi Voller then as he ran past him. Germany are waiting to take this free kick, and there's going to be further action here. It's a yellow card now, and I'm sure that Rudi Voller is trying to draw the referee's attention to the fact that Rijkaard spat on him. And Voller pulled out there, he certainly did, and Rijkaard's getting involved
Yine mi
again.
tükürdü?
And now Klinsmann stepping in between them, and well, it looked to me as if
Kartlar
Rudi
hep hiçbir
Voller...
şey amına koyayım ya.
Well,
Aa,
the
böyle
red card
atıldı.
has been shown to Rudi Voller.
Bir daha tükürdü.
Lama mısın sen amına koyayım? Bana
Oh, and there's Klinsmann. He spat on him again, Rijkaard. And both of them have been sent off by this Argentinian referee. And Rudi Voller, well, he has every reason to feel disgusted. Floated in.
Onları sikiyim. İşte onu.
Punching challenge. Referee quick to blow. It's Leon Goretzka down in considerable pain in the penalty area here with the head of a red card.
Fernandes is boos, die wil zelf gooien. Wat doet die nou? Wat is dat weer voor een rare actie? Ja.
Şurada kendini atsa 2 numara kırmızı.
Frustratie die er ook in de eerste helft al was. Af en toe bij Fernandes.
some areas.
Always wants the ball though, doesn't he?
Semedo. Oh, now Bernd Leno's handled it outside the penalty area.
He's off as well.
Leno.
And if Bernd Leno didn't handle that, Traore would have been in and Bernd Leno's sent off and Arsenal are down to 9.
Yerden Pulisic dokundu. Florenzi. Düdüğünü çaldı. Halil Umut Meler. Kırmızı kart. Kırmızı kart. Slavia Pragov geçti.
It's 3 to 4 players that are giving. Oh, Bernardeschi's going to get himself sent off. He's gone.
Ulan.
And that's he's gone. It goes. He's gone from bad to worse. It's just
Ananı sikiyim.